This is Darius from therabbitpad.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can split text within a column into multiple columns. Please make sure you click that subscribe button and that notification bell if you wish to be notified when I publish videos in the future. So the ability to split text to columns is a feature that has been in Microsoft Excel for a long time, and I was very happy to see that this feature is now in Google Sheets. This gives you the ability to have data in one column that you can split if you want that information to be in multiple columns. As my example here, I have a list of states in the United States and their capital cities. And let's say that I want the city to be in column A and I want the state to be in column B. What you would do is you highlight the information that you would want to change and then go up here to where it says data. Then look for where it says split text to columns. When you click on that, Google Sheets will automatically split it up the way it thinks that you want it to appear. And in this case, it does appear the way that I want it to appear. So I have my cities in column A and my states in column B. But you can also change this to other parameters. You could separate it by the comma, which is what it did because I had a comma between the city and the state. Or if your data has semicolons, you could separate it that way. Maybe there are periods that are separating the data that you want to split. Or, for instance, if you have first and last names in the same column, the separator would be the space. So I'm going to go ahead and click that to show you how that works. So if my separator is the space, you see that it keeps the comma there, but then it shifts everything over to column B after that space. And then the case of the city that has two words in it, it splits it that way. So I don't really want that, so I'm going to undo that and keep it the same. Another cool feature about this is that you can customize how the text is split. And this is something that I don't believe Microsoft Excel has yet. So if you click custom, you can type the specific things that you want to use as your separator. So if you just wanted to separate it by the letter A, for instance, it'll do it automatically once you type that in. Since that is not what I want, I'm going to go ahead and revert back to how it was. And that's how you split text into columns in Google Sheets. If you found this video helpful, please click that like button and subscribe to this channel so that you can see more awesome videos in the future. Also, please be sure to visit my website at therabbitpad.com.